Oh yes, yes, I knew it. The way, oh, 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 no, 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 no. Ladies and gentlemen, Connor, your YouTube fisherman, back here again, Playalinda. Perfect conditions. My favorite north winds. So, targeted species, Pompanos. I'll take whiting, and I'm gonna also fish for bluefish this time. I got my frozen mullet and my bluefish rig with the wire lead. And I'm gonna throw 1, 2, 3 rods out there. 2 with the Pompano rig, right here, sand fleas, backed up with Fishgums, and I have the, right here, the green, chartreuse green. They should give nice color attraction. And using a 4-ounce pyramid weight, I got my Pan Battle to 6,000, Pan Battle to 8,000, and Pan Battle to 4,000. Those are the reels I'm using, and my rods are the H2O 10 and 12 footers, and a Pan Battle to Ugly Stick Big Water 10 feet. So let's see. Beautiful day, waves around, I would say maybe 2 to 3 feet. High tide, incoming tide coming. Hoping for a good size keeper Pompano. Let's do it. Sunrise, 7 a.m. Bait are jumping. I just put the rod out. I cast it out. Excellent bite. What do we have? Swimming this way. Swims like a Pompano. Come on, baby. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Here comes the pump. Oh, that's a stud, guys. To start the morning, the day like this is incredible. Wow. Good morning, everybody. What a beautiful way to start the morning and the day. I knew it was gonna be great. My favorite winds north, waves only 2 to 3 feet, incoming tide, the best conditions possible for Pompano. Water is nice and warm. Here we go, guys. Got our pump. Let's measure him. I know he's good, but always measure. You want to make sure we're good. All right, let's see. Wow, this is so cool, guys. Hold on, baby, hold on. You're a beautiful pump. All right, let's see. We have exactly 14 to the fork. 14 to the fork. Yes, baby. Nice keeper. I mean, we know it was a keeper, but I want to make sure I did weigh him, and goes right into the cooler, guys. Man, I'm already not even set up yet. Wow, this is crazy. All right, these are my cooler packs. My lunch is here. He's gonna go right in between the cooler packs. Yes, baby. All right, let's get him off the hook. They're here, guys. The Pompanos are here. I use my number 2 circle hook. Here it is. Pump with the sunrise. Fish on! Guys, I haven't even had a chance to set up my second rod. Back to back. This one is a little smaller, seems like, but good head shake. Oh my God, guys, this is incredible. Oh, I love this. When conditions are perfect, fish on, baby, fish on. That's a little jack. Oh no, that's a little pump. Oh man, yeah, I knew it was little, but hey, they're here, man. Oh wow. Once again on the sand flea, frozen sand flea, and Fishgums, chartreuse green. Here's another pump, baby pump. See you later, buddy. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Nothing too big. I just put my bluefish rig out. Man, whew, no time to set up. No time to set up. Something small. Oh, wow, okay. Another baby pump. All right, guys, they're running, they're running. Oh man, that 14-incher to the fork, it was 17-inch total. The way they hit is so different than the way the little ones hit. It's amazing. Here we go. Thank you. Go get big. I'll see you next week. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Now it's on. Now it's on. Oh my God, man. I can't even. Oh, look at, I think that's a bluefish. I think that's blue. I don't know, maybe Spanish? Because the bait fish running out there, man, and it's incoming tide. Woo! Let's see, small Spanish or blue? Right on the surf. Yep, that's my blue, baby. Gotta love me some blue. Guys, just like textbook. Set up my bluefish rig and we're on. Early morning bite. Oh, it's been a while. I haven't set up my bluefish rig, you know. I'm after the pompanos. But you know, I said today it's been a while. Let me say hello to my friend. Here's my blue. I love me some blue. Oh, fish on, baby. That's a good fish. Oh, that hit so hard. That's gotta be pumped. Come to Papa. Swimming this way. Wow, that was a good hit, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. Oh, yes. Yes, I knew it. The way. Oh. No. No. Oh my God. Oh, almost got away. Oh, holy moly. What the? Oh my God, did I get the last one? Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, he almost got away. Oh, dude, that was close. I never seen anything like that. He was just going like. Oh, wow. That was hilarious, guys. Oh. All right, let's measure. Oh, he really wanted to get away. My God. Man, this is crazy action this morning. All right, 0. Oh, baby. 13-inch to the fork. Gotta love it, baby. Chunky wunky. Yes, baby. Yes, come to Papa, baby. Look at this beauty. I think that's the biggest one I got, guys. Yes, come to Papa. Oh yeah, baby, come to Papa. Guys, look at this. Wow. Wow. You're a monster. Oh wow. Guys, oh my god, that's heavy. That is a heavy, heavy pompano. Yeah, baby. Oh my god, let's measure him. Oh. We got, guys, what is a monster? This is a monster. I gotta check my other line too. Oh, I just gotta hit that too. Oh my god. Guys, hold on, let me measure this really quick. From head to fork, I have, let me see. Hold on, brother. 15 to the fork. Guys, 15 to the fork. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, buddy. Fish. Oh, another crazy bite. Yep, fish on. Oh my god, the 15-inch to the fork pompano is still there on the hook. Oh my god, did it come off? Oh wow, what an action, man. No, that's something small. Yep, another blue runner. Man, they are running, huh? Oh. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. What a fun day. Wow. Fish on. Yes, sir, buddy. Another blue runner. Another pump, but it's nothing too big. Yep, it's a small pump. Bring it with the wave. Yeah, that's a small pump, baby. Oh man, now we're using frozen shrimp. And I got Smatree fish bites. I run out of fish gums, so they're biting the Smatree flavor, fish bites, and frozen shrimp. Here we go. Oh, 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 another crazy hit. Oh, I just hit the blue runner right there, a big one. And now this one's screaming. Oh my god. I gotta love this, guys. What I love this. Look at those head shakes. What do we have? Come on, man, please be a pump. Please be a pump. Ah. Oh, two blue runners. What? Dude, they tangle all my line and everything. Look at that. 3 blue runners back to back. Look at that. I gotta take a picture of this. All right, guys. We are done. Going home. The current changed, the wind direction changed, the water become cloudy. That's my cue. Got our 3 pumps, nice keeper sizes, 14, 15, 15 to the fork, and 1 bluefish, my favorite. I call this a beautiful, successful day, fishing day. So I'm tired, guys. I'm really tired. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching, subscribing, hitting the like button, making comments. I love it, I love it, I love it. Keep doing it. Let's get me to 5,000 subscribers. I know we could do this. I'm gonna be announcing a big surprise coming up on May 1st. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be epic. I can't wait for that. I can't wait to reveal it for you guys. But without further ado, thanks again for watching. I will see you on the next video. See you guys.